Hello guys, welcome back for another video. So today we are going... Okay, now that he's got all of his singing out. Hello guys, welcome back for another video. So today we are going to be building a coffee table. He's such a weird little kid. Alright guys, as you've seen earlier today, we've been cleaning and rearranging the living room, and actually Douglas, hang on a second. And anyway, Douglas is still cleaning. He is shampooing the rug, trying to make it look better. It is pretty bad. I think we might have to do it a couple of times, but let's get back. Okay, anyway, I'm more out. So like I said, we've been in there cleaning and doing some things, and I found a coffee table that it's not my idea. I found it on Pinterest. Sorry, I'm holding my phone. But anyway, so I want to attempt to build this coffee table. I don't know if it'll turn out good, but we're going to try it. So let's get started. All right, guys, so I have you out here on my nasty deck. Our deck looks pretty bad. We got flooring that we pulled up there, which it goes somewhere else. Some there underneath the tarp. We still have this garb over here. Anyway, sorry, I got a phone call. Can't talk, guys. Sorry, I got a phone call at that time. Anyway, we're not out here to gawk at my nasty deck. We're out here to build a coffee table, so let's get started.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter.
What am I supposed to do?
Put them all on their side. Like this.
Okay. How many clamps you got?
2.
Okay guys, now he's going to take these clamps and we're going to clamp them together and just leave them clamped for a little while so they'll dry and have time for the glue and stuff to set up.
When it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want.
Okay, now we're going to glue our top together. We don't have any more clamps, and of course definitely not anything large clamps like that. So what we're going to do is he's going to take these little strips of wood and they're going to he's going to attach it, and that just will help hold the pieces together. Okay, now our top is dry and our legs are dry, so we're going to put our legs in the place that we want them. We're going to do it this way, and then we're just going to set the top on top of the legs, and then he will measure to make sure that they're correct before he attaches them. Also, we do not have L brackets to attach our top to our legs to our top, so he's just going to nail it. It's a rustic table. I don't think it's going to matter. It doesn't matter to me anyway. So he's just going to nail it together.
When it starts, I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look.
Okay, now he's just going to take a hammer and a screwdriver and just kind of rough it up a little bit. He's just going to add some little nicks here and there and make it look rustic. And then after that, we're going to lightly sand it, and then we'll get to staining it.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Okay guys, now I'm going to stain it. Actually, I'm using paint as stain. I will paint it and then wipe it right back off. The colors I'm using, this is apple barrel paint from Walmart. And the colors I'm using is the brown oxide, I think is what it's called. Anyway, or oxy brown, I don't know. I'll link it below. And then I have nutmeg brown and then burnt umber. I just barely let those two, like I barely put those two colors in there. The primary color is the brown oxy or oxy brown. I don't know. I'll have to link it. But anyway, the bottle's over there and I'm over here. So anyway, I will, like I said, I will link those below. And I mean, you don't have to use that. You can use what you prefer.
I'm gonna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Okay guys, I kind of wanted to do this myself this time, since Mom always gets to do it. But anyways, we're going to wrap this video up here. So, God bless you guys. Jesus loves you too. I love you too. Mom loves you too. Spot. Yeah, Spot right there. There it is. Loves you too. And thanks for watching. You got it at that part. And please like and subscribe.